You've been doing crunches, leg raises, and sit-ups, but your lower abs are still hiding? If nothing seems to work, you're probably missing a key factor. In this video, we'll reveal the real secret to unlocking your lower abs and the exact exercises that actually deliver results. Why most lower ab workouts fail. The biggest mistake? Thinking that endless crunches will carve out your lower abs. The truth is, traditional ab exercises often target the upper abs more than the lower. Plus, if your body fat percentage is too high, those abs will stay hidden no matter how many reps you do. The science behind lower abs. Your lower abs are part of your rectus abdominis, but activating them requires more than just standard crunches. You need controlled lower body movements and the right intensity to truly engage them. Let's get into the exercises that will make the difference. Now let's go over the 6 most effective lower ab exercises. Reverse crunches. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and curl your hips off the ground. Place your hands beside you for support. Engage your core, lift your legs, and curl your hips off the ground, bringing your knees towards your chest. Lower back down slowly and repeat. This move isolates the lower abs while minimizing strain on your neck and back. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. Hanging leg raises. If you have access to a pull-up bar, this move is a game changer. Grip the bar with your hands shoulder width apart, keep your legs straight, and slowly lift them until they form a 90-degree angle with your torso. Lower them down with control to avoid swinging. If this is too difficult, start with bent knees and work your way up. This is one of the most effective exercises for deep lower ab engagement. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Dead bug. Lie on your back with your arms extended toward the ceiling and your legs bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg simultaneously while keeping your core tight and back flat against the floor. Return to the starting position and switch sides. This move engages the entire core while reducing lower back strain. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps per side. Mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position with your hands shoulder width apart. Keep your core engaged and your body in a straight line. Drive one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch to the other knee, mimicking a running motion. Keep the pace steady and controlled to maximize lower ab activation. Do this for 30 to 40 seconds per set and aim for 3 rounds. Oblique crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head, and as you lift your upper body, twist towards one knee while keeping your lower back on the floor. Lower back down and switch sides. This move not only works your lower abs, but also engages the obliques, helping to define your waistline. Perform 3 sets of 15 reps per side. Hollow hold. This is a static core exercise that builds deep abdominal strength. Lie on your back with your arms extended overhead and legs straight. Engage your core and lift both your legs and upper body off the ground, keeping your lower back pressed into the floor. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds per set, gradually increasing the duration as you get stronger. Do tri-sati. To reveal your lower abs, you must focus on a clean, balanced diet while maintaining a slight calorie deficit. Prioritize protein-rich foods like lean meats, eggs, and Greek yogurt to support muscle growth and fat loss. Opt for complex carbs such as sweet potatoes, quinoa, and vegetables while avoiding processed sugars and refined carbs. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil help regulate hormones and boost metabolism. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and reducing sugary drinks. Limiting alcohol and processed foods is essential. Consistency with proper nutrition and exercise will help shed fat and define your lower abs. Skipping meals isn't the best approach for lower abs. While intermittent fasting can help with fat loss, skipping meals randomly may slow metabolism and cause muscle loss. Instead, focus on balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and fiber to stay full, maintain energy, and effectively burn fat for defined lower abs.